Today I'm going to show you how to use Strike. And I think this is very fascinating technology because it's basically the fastest way to send money anywhere in the world. And you might think, well, you know, who the heck actually uses this Bitcoin stuff? Well, a lot of people. And even if they don't, you can use this site called BitRefill to buy gift cards with Bitcoin. And the cool thing about this is, like, let's say you want to buy Domino's Pizza. You can get a 15% discount. And you can also get like 5% back a lot of times. Like when I buy my groceries with Instant Cart, I get 5% back on the Strike app. And I use that money to stack to my own wallet. So not only is this the cheapest way to send money in the world, you can also, it's also the cheapest way to send money to yourself. In other words, I use it to stack sats without going through an exchange. And the way this works is you load a little bit of money, fiat in this case, onto your Strike app. And then you can pay an invoice with that Strike app, basically at the Bitcoin market price. There might be like a penny or two more because of fees or whatever, but essentially it's basically free. And I'm going to show you how that works, but I'm not going to do a gift card because I don't need anything right now. There are some other things where I think this will be interesting too. Remittances, for instance. So let's say you wanted to send somebody the old-fashioned way, you'd have to use Western Union. And Western Union is pretty expensive, or MoneyGram, or any of those things. And they say this is like the fastest way to send money, but really what you can do instead is not use that, and then just send the money via Strike. And then on the other end, the person, like say in Mexico or El Salvador or something, right? They can convert that Bitcoin into a stable coin, or maybe just like cash it out like an ATM and then use that to buy groceries or do whatever they are going to do. And it all can be done through your app on a living room. So here's a guy who I like a lot. His name is Bitcoin Q&A. Let's say I wanted to tip him $1. And I know he uses the Lightning Network, so let's just say I give him $1. I go on support. Now, another thing is too, I could, if I didn't want to, I could pay Bitcoin on-chain with Strike, but I don't want to do that because the fees are kind of expensive right now. And I expect that they will be expensive in the future. But what's cool is I can also create a Lightning invoice here, and I can pay with this as well. And I'm just going to try to open it in my wallet, see what happens. Okay, well that didn't work. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it then. So now I copy the invoice, I go to Strike, and then I click pay, and then I'll paste that invoice. Just right click and press enter. And so you can see it's going to cost me about 2 cents. That's fine. That's still way cheaper than on-chain fees, and it's cheaper than anything else I've seen. So now I just paid him. I don't even know. I know he's like a Bitcoiner, so the guy's in Britain, but he got a little bit of Bitcoin instantaneously, and I use my Strike card, or Strike app rather, to pay him. So hopefully you can start using Strike like that. And I realize that maybe there's some privacy implications here, but I think it's pretty cool that you can basically send money anywhere in the world really fast, and I just think this is going to change the world. So if you want to try using this yourself, you can use the link in the video, and you will get $5 in fiat, and I will also get $5 in fiat. And then we can use that to stack sats to ourselves, and you can kind of see how it goes. You can send the money anywhere you like, and you can see how quick it is. Thanks for watching.